So how do I start my day off as a black welder? Someone asked me about how we should start our days off and how we should network. I'm gonna be honest with you. To each his own, because we all got our own spiritual and biblical beliefs. But me personally, I start my day off with prayer and meditation. Say a prayer being thankful for one more day to lead me and guide me on what I'm trying to do to protect my family, my loved ones, the government, those that I have no power or I can't control. Those are things I pray for to start my day off. Then I start meditating, figuring out what direction I need to go, what I need to do first. I like to have me a schedule. I like to lay out everything before me and know exactly what I'm doing. I don't like being lost or not having the information. So if I don't know something, I'm gonna make sure I find out. And it's just how I start my day off. I'm gonna make sure I get the information I need, and then I hit the grind. You know what I mean? I do whatever is on my list for the day. But since I'm in a new area, it's all freelancing right now. So I'm riding around every day, knocking on doors, talking to people, speaking, purchasing some needed items, and I'm purchasing them wisely because certain things I'm buying, I could go to a big shop, a big store, but I want to specifically shop with my small businesses because that's what keeps the ball rolling. I know if I spend my money with them, they'll spend money with me, especially once I pull up and they see how I'm networking, and I introduce myself and I pass out some cards and I talk to them and I spend some money and I shuck and jive a little bit, just forming a relationship. So I think it's good to. The Bible says if you show yourself friendly, you'll receive friends. So you have to, be polite, and sometimes you have to make the initiative. It's okay. I remember growing up, my first friend I ever met in Arkansas, that I can remember, name was Chris Walker actually. And I remember me seeing him outside one day when I came back from Denver that morning. I was just outside looking around like, man, okay, this is where I'm at now. I was in the projects, and we were staying in the house at first, and stuff happened. Dad got on drugs. We went from my house to sleeping in the car to the projects. You know what I mean? So shit happens, and I remember being in the projects, and I walked across the street and seeing this dude standing on this porch. I walked over there and I said, hey man, my name Lil Joe. What's your name? And he said, hey, I'm Chris. We've been friends to this day. We don't talk all the time, but anytime we catch up, it's like we never fell off. You know what I mean? We grew up together. So you have to be friendly. You have to be willing to meet people, willing to talk, willing to get outside of your comfort zone, so that way you can actually do what you need to do. But every man start their day different. I started with a couple push-ups. Everybody work out. I just do what's needed. I don't overdo anything. I used to work out like a lot. I got up to like 525 bench press, and then I stopped after then. But I'm pretty strong, man. I want to balance. You know what I mean? I don't want to be too much of this, too much of that. I want to be in the middle. You know what I mean? I just want to enjoy life. I don't want too much of nothing. You know what I'm saying? But I would say, man, to each his own. But it's good to come up with your routine, come up with something that you're familiar with, something that you like, and just stick to it. Stick to it religiously and make it your schedule and make it how you maintain. Hold on.